How to trim Instagram story video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can trim your video on Instagram story to upload it. Now, if you open up the Instagram app, you'll get an interface like this, and on the bottom of the screen you can find the plus icon. If you tap on it, it'll take you to this upload option where you can choose post story to uploads. Now, if you select an already existing video, or if you create a new video and you want to trim it, now if you head over to uploading story, you can see that it doesn't have any option, or the Instagram story doesn't have any feature to trim or cut the video. But what you can do is head back and head over to post, and here upload the post, or just select the post that you want to set it to your story and then tap on next. But here on the post at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can find the edit video option, and here you can trim the video. Now, what you want to do is simply trim the video right here and then save it. You'll find the save option at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the save icon there, and once you save it, the video will get saved on your device. Once it's been saved, you can head back and head over to story again and then choose the same video that you just trimmed and uploaded. So this way you can trim Instagram story video. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.